My name is ED Japngie, and what we're about to do is to do a demonstration to show you how our environment has an effect on our nervous system and ultimately on our balance. So our environment has an effect which is keeping us out of balance perpetually. So I'm going to do in this exercise is have this young lady hold her arms strong, and then what we're going to do is gently press down on the elbow. And if you'll notice, she's compensating, okay? And so continue to compensate as you're trying to keep your balance. Okay, and notice she's moving around and wiggling. This is almost like the EMF Macarena. Okay? Now what I want you to do is to go ahead, keep those arms stiff, okay? And just focus on just standing there. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to actually make it a little bit more exciting since she is a yoga person. I'm going to have you bend at the waist and bend forward. There you go. And just hold that pose there. Okay? Okay, good. One more time. Okay. Now what we're going to do is put on this bracelet. What this bracelet is doing is bringing our body into coherence. And as it does, you're going to notice a big difference in the change of the person's balance. Okay, so again, same thing. Lean forward. Okay. Okay, one more time. You notice a difference?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you. So what's happened is the communication that's being established between her neurology and the bracelet is creating a coherence in her body. It's almost like the girl in the bubble. So even though we were to take a meter, we would still be measuring electromagnetic fields and forces in her space. Her neurology is no longer being affected by it. Okay, so her neurology is no longer being affected by it. So one more time, we're going to go ahead and show that to you. Okay, foot up, lean forward. Okay, this is a very difficult pose for a woman to hold in the first place. Never mind, you got somebody pushing on you. Okay, and hold that arm strong so I can't move it. Good. I'm going to go back and remove this element of coherence. Same thing. Go ahead and get in your pose again.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a big difference. Okay, in the previous test, what we demonstrated was how, as our body went into coherence, we weren't being affected by the environment. What that means on a bigger scale is our body's no longer having to compensate and adjust for everything that's going on. So if that happens, now what we're doing is making a lot of more energy available to our body. So in the next test, what we're going to do is to demonstrate an increase in actual strength. Okay? So in this test, what I'm going to do is have you put your feet together. Just imagine your body like a tree. Okay? And then you can do is grab my fist. Okay. One more time. Okay. I'll go ahead and we'll put this on this wrist. Okay. Same thing. Hold. Notice the difference?
Definitely.
Okay.
Definite difference.
We'll take it off again one second.
Actually incredible.
Okay. We're back to where she's at the effect of the environment. Okay, grab my fist. And I push down. And she comes right over. That left foot comes right off of the ground. So basically what we've demonstrated is by bringing your body into a coherent state, you're making a lot of bioavailable energy that wouldn't have been there in the first place. One of the main benefits of this is that the body is no longer reacting to the environment of dirty energy, which includes cell phones, microwaves, wireless technology, everything that's around us. There's an amazing amount of energy that has an effect on our neurology. So wouldn't it be nice if you could have more energy and you could be in your center?